Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you really just shocking several just parasite settings. I call them vampire settings because they really drains your battery. So if you're interested in this topic, please watch till the end. Let's go. So basically everything that we actually need in this video are in our settings. So now we're just going right into our settings. We're going here and you can see the setting connection and sharing, but actually I saw in from different users that this setting might not be right here. So for example, if you don't have it right here, you also can. So for example, let's go here, connections and sharing, and next you're gonna just go into nearby share. Yeah, you can see this panel. And now if you don't have access from this setting part, we just have to go into your Google and then just choose devices and sharing. After this, nearby share, and as you can see, this is kind of like the same, absolutely the same settings. So we're gonna return, and now I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this really vampire setting. So nearby share, as you can see, by default in absolute amount of users, absolute number of users, this setting is actually turned off by default. And what we can actually say, this is normal, this is okay, like this setting turned off, so we don't have to worry. But actually, did you know that the developers actually really hide some little particle of this setting? And as you can see, show notifications actually is enabled right here. So what it actually makes to our phone, so as you can see, this setting turned off, but it actually continues working in the background of your phone when you don't even use this app. So we can actually read when devices are sharing nearby. The device location setting needs to be on for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to detect nearby devices. So that means actually that your phone, when this setting is actually even turned off, your phone will actually will turn off your location, GPS, etc., etc. Will analyze some data, will share some data, will search for some as you can see, for some nearby devices, even when you don't actually need this. This is really just terribly drains your battery, and you don't even have like understanding of this until you will actually go into this setting. So you definitely, and I just have to turn off this setting right away. So the next one is actually next settings might actually turn on automatically. So for example, when you update some of your, for example, apps, some of your, for example, your system, these next settings actually will might automatically actually turn on again. So for example, we're going into right nearby, right in the bottom, and next is location. We go into our location, and the next one, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. So both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning are on. And as you can see, these settings are also by default turned on. And as we can read, actually allow apps and services to scan for Wi-Fi networks at any time, even when Wi-Fi is off. So this is kind of like absolutely unhidden setting that actually we allow, also not we, actually by developers actually allow our phone to actually scan for some Wi-Fi networks anytime when we don't even need this, and when Wi-Fi is off. So basically, do you really understand what does it mean actually? So that means that when you turn off your Wi-Fi is still working. Do you even imagine actually how much it drains your battery? So we have to actually turn these settings off as I am doing right now, and I highly recommend you to do absolutely the same. So after you actually apply all of these settings, you will see that your phone will be much faster and your battery will actually live for much longer. So if you're interested in if you enjoy this video or you learned something new, please don't forget to like and subscribe with notifications. See you later.